Describing the dimensions of the New Jerusalem in Revelation 21. An angel appeared to John with a golden reed to measure the kingdom. Golden reed means precisely no errors, the design is flawless.
Note what is said in Revelation 21:17 at the end of the verse. According to the measure of a man, that is, of the angel. This means the measurements are divine in nature. There is a scripture that says, one day to God is as 1,000 years, and 1,000 years as one day. In a spiritual sense, day is when it's light. We faithful are to be the light to the world, where there is no darkness or night. So in verse 17, the 144 actually means 144,000. Why did I not say any other number than 144? Knowing that 144,000 is also the number of Christ's brides. It's a sacred secret for the time appointed. In verse 16, the city is a cube because the length, breadth, and height are equal. So the walls in total equals 144,000. The walls being 12,000 in length, breadth, and height.
Look at this diagram. Discard the red square in the center for now. It's a square with a circle in it. You will notice that two red corners represent 6,000 in each, and the other two corners are in green. This is one of the 12 apostle foundation stones that make up the edges of the cube. By folding the square paper drawing diagonally at the green corners so it makes a 90-degree fold, and repeating it 12 times in total with other squares, a cube can be constructed. On each of the 6 sides of the cube, 4 red triangular corners meet together, with 6,000 brides of Christ in each triangle. The top and bottom triangle equals 12,000, which is the height. The left and right triangle equals 12,000, which is the breadth, and 12,000 is the length on the other side of the cube. So each of the 6 sides of the cube has 24,000 brides. 6 multiplied by 24,000 equals 144,000. Here's a clue. How the diameter and the circumference of the circle is calculated so that the 6,000 brides correct with the size of the square. It's important to note that the largest circle must be calculated so that 6,000 brides fit in the corners of the square. Trigonometry is used for this golden measurement. In verse 13, it mentions that the pearly gates were 3 on each side of the cardinal direction. Now look at this mandala. It has the cube inserted into the Star of David with a corner of the cube facing the observer. You will see 3 pearls facing you. Just imagine you are on the north side. 3 pearls would be positioned inversely, directly opposite to the south of the cube. Then if you turn the mandala slightly, you will see that there are 3 remaining pearls facing east and 3 facing west. Notice that the north, south, and east-west pearls form 2 stars of David. Smaller star inside the bigger one. You cannot see the 3 south pearls in this mandala, but I assure you they are inversely positioned to the north one.